Nĩguo kuongerera ũũgĩ wa andĩki a mohoro harĩ kũmemerekia matua ma magoti o ũndũ ũmwe na riboti cia kuma magoti-inĩ, rũhonge rwa magoti rugĩte nĩrũkwambĩrĩria kũbundithia andĩki a mohoro mathomo ma watho nĩguo gũcunga kuogomia matua ma magoti.
When you report in a manner that does not express what a judge or magistrate has said, the result is that the public out there gets the wrong information and is not able to relate with the decision made.
Andĩki arĩa monganagia mohoro kuma magoti-inĩ makĩũrio kũriũkia ngwatanĩro yao nĩguo kũhotithia irathi ici gũthiĩ na mbere.
With the Judicial Training Institute then, now the Kenya Judicial Academy, where court reporters can get some training in law, and now that we have an academy which is going to offer at some point diplomas and degrees, why don't we begin a conversation today where journalists who do court reporting can be trained and even attain diplomas in law?
Program will start right here and we'll develop it into a diploma or to a degree level, because we have also elevated our training into an academy that should be issuing those kind of certificates.
Gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ, honge ici igĩrĩ, magoti na nyũmba cia mohoro nĩ macorete ũrĩa makũrutithania wĩra hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩnene, gũkũ atabarĩria mohoro makĩũria igoti kũhe andĩki a mohoro rĩera rĩega rĩa kuoya riboti ici na gũcimemerekia.
So that the setup of the court should factor in television coverage. From sound to cameras, we are going to submit this as a problem the judiciary should also think about, that this is a television event. It's going to be televised, so we must together worry about the quality of the sound, worry about the position of the cameras, and worry about the quality of the entire production.
Such opportunity would help enhance our court reporting. And we are very, very keenly interested in how our two entities could find ways to collaborate, because out of that collaboration we think there'll be better quality.
Rũhonge rwa magoti rũĩranĩire ũtheri na waragania harĩ gũtuithania macira marĩa mangĩyumĩria hĩndĩ ya ũikia wa kura. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo, Kĩnyugo Mwaũra.